Okay, so how do we interpret this kind of news and how can we relate it sa trading natin? So if for trading gold, it's very important. So its monetary policy backdrop could favor dollar. Prospects of US interest rate rises due to high energy prices are supportive for the dollar. So as long as the market is still in favor of the dollar, gold is gonna go down. So inversely correlated. So that's what I meant by inversely correlation, no? So it's not always the case, pero most of the time, pag mataas talaga ang interest rates, si gold is going down. So why? Because of the overnight fees, yung paghawak ng pag-acquire ng gold is actually much expensive. So if you can check yung swap fees ninyo, mas malaki yung swap fees ngayon as compared to previous months. So dati natandaan ko pag nag-buy ka may swap fees cut around 30 cents. Ngayon it's 90 cents. Very very big difference. So and the persistent inflation pressures are pushing markets towards higher for longer view on rates. So kapag ka nag-persist yung oil prices na mataas, no, so as long as the US and Iran war is still ongoing and hindi na re-resolve, talagang possible na mag-hold lang ng interest rates itong si Fed. And you know, with Fed kasi everyone follows. So just like the Philippines, nung nagtaas or nag-hold na interest rates si Fed, we raise rates. Okay, so to combat inflation. So it's something like that, no? So again, it favors dollar kasi instead of going to gold as a safe haven, they're gonna put their money or they're gonna put their funds sa dollar, wherein they would get interest for their investment or for them parking their funds there sa dollar. Okay, so that's how we interpret this kind of news. And meron pa sinasabi dito na US money markets fully priced in a 25 basis points rate increase by the Federal Reserve by March 2027 and a 62% chance of an increase by the end of 2026. So that's what the market is pricing in, the prospect and the future rate hike, no? So kaya talagang pataas yung dollar and gold is going down. So what are the reversals? So what are the news that we're looking for para yung sa reversal, no, yung pagtaas naman ni gold? So if the US and Iran war, nagkaroon sila ng agreement or ng end na, bumalik na normal yung oil prices, that's where gold will go up because there's going to be a future prospect na magre-rate cut na, which is Trump is actually going for in the very beginning, no? So sabi niya kay Jerome Powell na mag-cut ka ng rates, pero hindi ginagawa because of the inflation. And now with Kevin Warsh, yung pumalit kay Jerome Powell sa Fed, yun doon na possible na magkaroon ng rate cut pagka naging normal lahat, no? So yun yung condition, no? Pagka nag-end yung war, bumalik yung oil prices, then there's that possibility that gold will go back up sa all-time high. Okay, so that's what we're going for. And that's what we are looking at sa mga news na to. So, I hope it helps. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to learn more about Forex trading, you can check my bio. You can join our Telegram community. So, see you there.